can put the name of a diet to be shown on the screen. On the MF, we select Diet Library and confirm. Also in the MF, we have the fluid balance, which means you can determine a period of time in which the pump will alarm and inform the amount of liquid infused during this interval. We confirm. We can put it in 2 hours, 4 hours, or set any period. We can set the transport mode to keep the drop sensor off for 2 hours. It's used only when the drop sensor is installed, and its function is to allow the patient to walk inside the hospital or to be transported in an ambulance. It's important to remind that in this period the pump will not detect free flow or empty bottle. The infusion generates an internal pressure in the tube, and this pressure is detected by the pump. Using the function occlusion adjustment, we can set the maximum pressure inside the tube during the infusion, from 30 to 100 kPa. It's important to remind that this function is not used to program the infusion's pressure, but to determine its maximum limit. We can also set the upstream pressure sensor sensitivity in the MF. We confirm, and we can choose between 3 levels. In the MF, we can also set the sensitivity of the drop sensor. This function is used to set the sensitivity for the empty bottle and free flow alarms. It's important to remind that this function will only be enabled if the drop sensor is being used. When the drop sensor is being used, we can disable the air bubble alarm. In this case, since we're not using the drop sensor, we can only set it from 1 ml up to 5 ml. We can set the pre-alarm end of infusion EMF. By default, it brings 4 minutes, and we can adjust it up to 20 minutes. When we access the sound volume option EMF, the pump requires a password to be inserted. In this case, it's already there, we only need to confirm. Here, we can select from low to high level and confirm. We can adjust the KTO flow rate in the MF. We confirm. It can be selected from 0, in which it will be disabled, up to 10 milliliters per hour. To lock the keyboard in the MF, we select the function, choose yes, and confirm. Now the keyboard is locked. To unlock it, we press the MF, select yes and confirm. The configuration of the display can be made in the MF. We can set the brightness, the contrast, and the backlight. The user's password used to set the sound volume can be changed in the MF. We recommend that it's not changed.